Hi everyone, and welcome to High Valley Couponer. Happy Friday to all of you, or Saturday if that's when you're watching this. We do have a new Kroger 2-day sale. It's not the best one ever, but I just thought I'd give you some matchups. If you have manufacturer coupons, you can totally pair those in. There really isn't any that I'm aware of, so keep that in mind. But I'm just going to go ahead and tell you this stuff. If you haven't already seen my other Kroger videos from this week, you need to check those out. There will be a link to those in the description box below, or I will have it on the end screen of this video. So be sure to check all of that out. So yeah, let's just dive right into these Kroger deals. Okay, first up we have the Kroger butter. It's $1.99 with the digital coupon. That's a good deal. $1.88 for the Eckerd smoked sausage. That's another good deal. And then we have the Rubbermaid containers for $4.99. All these are with the 5x digital coupons. So I totally acknowledge that was a very pathetic video, but I did want to give you all the input on the deal, on the sale. So if any of you want to go out and get these things, they are good prices. So just want to give that to you. Check out these other videos if you haven't already. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.